So it took quite some time to power on. I don't know, maybe it's because of his trying to detect the extra RAM. So I want to check my memory. So this is my BIOS. So I'll check the memory. I have processor type, memory. So yeah, it detected it. Yes. So total memory installed is 32,768 megabytes. That should be approximately 32 gig of memory. Yeah. So slot B has a 16 gig memory in it, while slot A has a 16 gig memory. So you see, it was in slot B I put in the memory. Yeah, so everything is cool. So yeah, we are good. Nice. Yes. So other things here, what is there? Okay, see the NVIDIA graphics card in it, 4050 graphics card. So it's good to get a laptop that has good specs, but it's also good to get a laptop that is easily configurable. You can easily upgrade it. This laptop is easily upgradable. You can access the back easily. Most of the laptops I've had, like my Asus, all these ones here that I was waiting, my Asus laptop, this one, then this, my HP. They are not once you open them, they almost become useless because it's really hard to even get to the clips will get broken and you can't access it. You can't access the one that once you access it, something gets bad. Yes. But you see, when I opened it, you see that most of the processor is hidden. It's not visible. The graphics card is not visible. They're on the other side of the board. The only thing that is there is the things that you can easily upgrade. You can change your battery. I think I've seen the battery on the Dell website. So this I'm going to be using this laptop for a very long time, and it's going to serve me well. So I'm happy with my purchase.